questioning Dr. Sudhir Gupta's stand. How can a man who on 22nd August, I beg your pardon, spoke of the Mumbai police investigation as questionable, said that there are loopholes as far as the Cooper Hospital autopsy report is concerned,
yes.
Says that the crime scene was contaminated. How did he change his stand within 40 days?
Well, there is some breaking news coming in as we continue to ask those questions, Christine. And the breaking news update is that Dr. Subramanian Swamy has just tweeted, and he has said that he's going to try for that. When he says for that, he means he's going to try for an interrogation of Sudhir Gupta, of AIMS, and also of the Cooper Hospital findings and the Mumbai police for destroying evidence. And he says he will raise it through the Parliamentary Standing Committee on Health, headed by SPMP Ram Gopal Yadav. He too is a member of the Parliamentary Standing Committee on Health. He has just tweeted that after the expose. The story is getting much bigger. Let me get a word from Swapnil as well. Swapnil, the story is getting bigger. Dr. Subramanian Swamy has just tweeted saying that he will try for an examination of Dr. Sudhir Gupta on what really changed. Your response to it?
Fantastic idea. I congratulate Mr. Swamy for this, and primarily, of course, I congratulate Republic TV. Once again, I congratulated you guys again also earlier. So I'm doing that again because this would not have happened. Subramanian Swamy would not have taken this stand unless these tapes would have come out in these WhatsApp texts. These are most damning, actually. And what is very, very perturbing is that what made Sudhir Gupta even come out? He should have kept his mouth shut. Even if that is your conclusion, keep your mouth shut. Why do you come out? Are you the official spokesperson of the AIMS? Did the AIMS, in fact, authorize you to do so? No. You were only told by 7 days ago, you said that we will give our findings to CBI. That's what you should have done and kept it at that. Why do you have to come out? That means you have been pressurized. That means you have been provoked. You have been urged, incited by somebody to come out and speak, especially when there is rumors doing the rounds that 302 is going to be added. The timing is extremely inappropriate. And forget that. The second part is the most important part, that when the CBI itself has not told you to do so, they have not told you to come out. They have said that please give us your findings. Then why are you doing that again? So who gave you this job? The CBI. Your job was to report it to the CBI. When you are not doing that, then what is the problem? And most importantly, the biggest problem is that you are basing your report on the Cooper autopsy report, which you yourself have questioned in those WhatsApp chats, and that he had with Mr. Prakash, and you are also on that interview. He is saying, look at this, Niranjan, very, very particularly look at this part. What constituted the medical board? It is not in consonance with the norm, and there was only one junior doctor and 4 medical officers. So that means if 5 people who, according to you, are inadequate to come to do an autopsy report in dim lighting, and that too in the middle of the night or in a deep hurry, that itself points to the validity of that report. That report is, according to me, very, very weak and hollow in law because you have not conducted the autopsy as per norms. Now, you are basing your report when you yourself have also not gone to Mumbai, but 3 other officers went from AIMS and they did this, and you are basing your report on the basis of that report which you yourself have questioned. So a report based on a weak report itself automatically becomes weak. And if the CBI tomorrow were to go under Section 306, basing its charge sheet also on the basis of these 2 bogus or weak reports, that 306 charge sheet itself becomes hollow and susceptible and capable of being quashed or changed or redirected by the court that please go ahead and do this investigation again. You need to bring in 302, and that is where the family has got an absolute big weapon in its hand to go ahead and challenge that. They should not be doing this now. They can ask for only another team at the moment. They should not do, because CBI has not come out officially with anything so far. Let the CBI come out and then you attack the CBI charge sheet, should that not be going your way. So this is something which is great, and when you raise this in Parliament, you are raising a larger question as to how do these professional bodies and the top people who sit on the professional bodies, when one word can change the entire mood of the nation, forget the mood, even can confront democracy in a democratic country. How can you do that? You need to be very professional. You need to keep your mouth shut.